Here is my drone, and I have one GoPro which I'm going to drop in this ocean.
Oh my god. Hello, hi guys. So now I'm back with another amazing video, and you guys can see here is my drone, and I have one GoPro which I'm going to drop in this ocean, and we will see what is under the ocean and under the water. And this experiment is too much risky. I'm going to hang this GoPro camera by this drone. So this drone is going to like going middle of the sea, and drop this GoPro, which is already in recording mode. So let's go. We will start. Oh my god. Successfully lift this GoPro, and oh my god. Yeah, so we are ready to go, and the GoPro is just rotating like a crazy, but it's still this is the ocean with this GoPro. I'm going to take a risk of this $1,000 drone. I'm too much excited. Just check the level. My god. Oh, too much wind. Now we are going to drop in the water. Oh my god. That's it. It is sinking or what? Oh my god. We'll go more deep. Yes. Now we will explore the ocean. Now we are deep in the water, and this is a nice marine life. You guys can see. Actually, my GoPro is actually I need more light, but you guys can have a look. And these are the plants, and creatures like fishes, crabs. There are a lot of amazing things, and we don't even know what are these things. And but it is a wonderful experience. Now check the marine life, and you will see small fishes. See here, they are down, and they don't like the company of GoPro, because GoPro is messing their privacy, guys. And there are big stones, and kind of coral, it's a coral beach. That's how you will see a lot of greenery, and there are so many crabs which are, I don't know, somewhere. And now we are just going up because the drone is lifting, and again I'm putting this GoPro in the water, and just to see, because experience. And I don't know like how deep this ocean is from this place, but this is always my dream to see the marine life under the water. But for that you should learn how to do scuba diving and all these things, which I'm not good. So that's why I have decided to put my GoPro, but I'm taking this huge risk. Maybe at this moment you guys can see small fishes. If any big fish will come, and that fish can eat my camera with this light. So, and my drone will not cannot lift that big fish, so it's a big risk. But luckily now you guys can see there's a small crab. Yeah, and that small crab is a very small, and see how it is moving the legs, and this is so small, guys, if you can see, but my focus of GoPro sucks at this time, but I can see there is a one small crab, and this is so lovely. And yes, guys, so because this is not connected, so I have to wait for the footage, and then I will realize what is inside. See, now this is rotating, and because this rope is not a proper rope, but now this is a good place, this light is very, and see, oh my god, this is very bad. People are throwing garbage, so please don't do that. This is very bad, and this is not good for the marine life. And because sometimes my GoPro stuck in some places, in that case what I will do, I don't have any idea. I don't have any recovery boat, I don't have anyone who will go inside and fix this, so that means I will lose my GoPro with this. Now you guys can see on right hand side big fishes. Wow, this is a wonderful experience, and I will try again. So please comment down below, like and share my videos, and thanks for watching, guys. This thing can, oh my god, it's too much pressure, and oh my god, yes, we are coming down. And let me cut this rope, and still down. Oh my god, the wind is too much. So let me put the GoPro here, and it's full with water, and I hope I'm not going to destroy my GoPro. And let me land it safely. That is very nice, guys. This drone is so much strong. So let me cut this cable, because this thing maybe, yes, so now no worries. Yes, so safely landed, and this drone is capable of lifting too much weight. I'm totally shocked today, because this weight is almost 400 grams,